hard to make it out, but that license plate in front of us, spelt C-H-R-A-W-N-N-A, Thrasha. That's what they refer to Toronto as. Spell it with a C, Thrasha. And they got the license plate, C-H-R-A-W-N-N-A. Hopefully you can make that out. Thrasha. Welcome everybody, another gorgeous day here in Toronto, directly beneath the CN Tower. We're gonna go around, do some talking. Ryan, look at these things up here. Like iron giants. Look at one of them's pointing down this direction. This guy here has a giant golden camera. He's got a camera, Ryan. And that other guy's giving the peace sign.
You stand right here.
Directly under. Toronto Blue Jays arch. He's snapping at me and I'm snapping him. Or filming. So one of these fell. Dude, I better move.
Even if it's not.
The Rogers Center with the Blue Jays play to our right. Look at that tower. Across from the CN Tower, right outside Steam Whistle Park, we're going to show you a lot of cool stuff here on Bremner Boulevard in Toronto, including the Rec Room, Eats and Entertainment. Look at this cool wall mural. They got some cool train relics to check out. We'll check out the SkyDome, legendary Rogers Center, some more cool shots of the tower. They don't always have a gate up here. Usually you can just check out the trains without the gate obstructing the view. Look at this old piece of train relic. Look at that. Big old Canadian Pacific right to the right. Woo. This roundhouse complex is built by the Canadian Pacific in 1929 to service the steam locomotives of its passenger trains using nearby Union Station, just that way, just on street over in busy Toronto. Right across from the SkyDome and the CN Tower, Union Station back in 1930, showing 4 immaculate passenger locomotives posed at the east end of the train shed, while the new Canadian Pacific Railway Royal York Hotel was just rising in the background there. Been in Union Station many, many times. This is where you would arrive if you take the train to Toronto from wherever. Cool, we got some old trains over here. And we're gonna check out Steam Whistle Park, just over here, the Steam Whistle Brewing Company. Run through here, check out these old relic trains. Always very pleasing to my eye. One of them says CNR, that orange one back there. Canadian National Railway, not Charles Nelson Riley. But he did do that at the Al Show a few nights ago. That was good. Cool trains. Old Canadian National right there. On this track, there's a train ride that goes around this park. They seem to be running at this exact moment. Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo. I believe I've trained from all those cities in the past. I like this one. You can take a step up into the train. It's okay. Take you on a train. Oh, no, maybe you can, but look at this door. Did they let you in? Dang. The Giant's flower pots right here. Check this out. Steam Whistle Brewing Company. Look at the Steam Whistle Pilsner truck. Look at this retro electro. Retro electro. That is a beaut. Drink Steam Whistle. 100% electric. sweet ride. There's a brewery and retail store in there. Can get all kinds of stuff. A little too early to be drinking today, but I like this. Steam Whistle, Canada's premium pilsner. Pretty cool. Took a little quick peep at the brewery in there. With a smile, you are on camera. Whistle Brewing Company here. Kinds of gift shop stuff. Get lots of shirts and stuff. Pretty cool. Can take brewing tours. Not gonna pay to do that today, but this is the Steam Whistle Brewing Company. You can get a drink. Over here they got a replica of Dawn Station where the trains used to come through. We can get a little history lesson over here. This is where I guess the little mini railroad ride starts. 1909, a CPR passenger train prepares to halt at dawn, the final stop before its arrival at Union Station, Toronto Public Library. Oh. So this was the station, the Dawn. Dawn Station. Yeah, this was the old Dawn. Train used to stop here before the final stop. One street over, Front Street. It's pretty cool. Look at this old CP rail service train. Love looking at old trains. Whoa. She's not real. She's not real. She's fake. Just a mannequin. Now I'm gonna hit up Beaver Tails, world famous pastries. Not for a beaver tail though. We'll go for what I've had before in Upper Canada Village. A beaver dog. I know they're good here. And I'll grab Ryan some fries too. Beaver dog. Turtle is a bush. Not climb on it. Look at the size of it.
There's lots of bees though. See all the bees?
It's
They
a
have little,
bush.
See, they have little nests in there.
We're just gonna go down the street, turn left.
Come on, there's plenty for everyone. Plenty for everyone. Those fries are pretty good. Just gonna slap some ketchup on this beaver dog. Ever go to Beaver Tail, get the beaver dog. Quality hot dog in there. Oh, it's here at the fountain. Gonna indulge into this beaver dog. Haven't eaten all day. Wow. It's a good beaver dog. That crispy, flaky beaver tail wrapping this wiener. I know you want it, pigeon. You want my beaver dog. But it was expensive. Maybe if you're lucky, I'll give you a piece. Huh. Birdies just hang out all day. Getting bites. Getting bites and taking flights. There you go, buddy. It's all yours. Go enjoy the show. Now we're just directly outside of the Rogers Center. once known as the SkyDome, home to WrestleMania 6 in 1990, WrestleMania 18, 2002. I saw Guns N' Roses here, I've seen AC/DC here, but I've never been to a Blue Jays game. And I like baseball, There's a statue out here, that's Edward S. Ted Rogers. Lived from 33 to 2008. He's a handsome, handsome man. The size of the Rogers Center. Biggest stadium in Canada. Toronto Blue Jays, home of the Toronto Blue Jays. SkyDome right next door to the CN Tower. That tower, let's get a little closer to that tower. Right up to the CN Tower. We're not gonna go up it. Look how tall that is. Showed the tower many times on the show, but have we walked directly up to it? That's the line up to get in. It's probably about $50. It's about an hour or more. It could be a few hour experience by the time you take an elevator to the top. There's a restaurant up there, and I think people even bungee off of it. Not like a jump, but they kind of just suspend them. Wow. Take you directly up this tower. One of the largest freestanding structures on the planet. Check it out, everybody. That's the tower behind us. That's the tower. What's this? Chess? Checkers. It's faded. You know that. Look at that. And yes, the aquarium right beside it. I'm going to do an episode on that, of course. I'll put that one up. First, look at this. Walk directly up to the tower. All the city's a stage. Reminds me of the Rush lyric, all the world's a stage and we are merely players. This is all the city's a stage. Rush from right here in Toronto, photo op right here. This. We are touching the CN Tower. Back it up. Staring directly up. Imagine having to walk stairs all the way to the top. Tunnel under the bridge here. There's some awesome graffiti and art all the way down this wall. Duke Redbird, Eileen and Tony, Miracle, Jay Mason, Alex Jacobs. That person is. Ann and Mary Lou. Cool. There are so many murals, points of wall art all over the city of Toronto, every downtown street, alley to alley, street to street. So much. I could pretty much do a whole episode on Toronto wall art. And it could probably be like 5 hours long. It still wouldn't cover it. This angle of the CN Tower is beside the Toronto Convention Center. Get a better shot over here of these giant woodpeckers. They're not blue jays, but they kind of resemble blue jays. Given that this is Toronto, they should be blue jays. Look at these giant woodpeckers, and they're pecking steel. Oh, there's water beneath me. It's sketchy walking on this. Woody woodpeckers. Not too far from his buddy. Look at the size of this thing. Turtle bush. You got to see the whole tip standing directly beneath it. You can't see the tip, the tippity top. The CN Tower. Elevator goes right up the middle. Great view of it from right here. Never turned down a free ticket to a Blue Jays game. I like going out to a ball game, having a dog.
Can't argue with free tickets. I wouldn't spend $120 to watch it.
Would love to go to the SkyDome, see a Blue Jays game. Only ever been to Ottawa Lynx games personally. So. What a good shot of the SkyDome right there. The Rogers Center, home of the Toronto Blue Jays. Toronto Blue Jays. To the rec room, I guess there's a full arcade, gift shop, games, there's all kinds of stuff in here. It's pretty cool. I'll take a quick walk around the rec room. A beverage, all kinds of arcade games. Beautiful sunny day here in Toronto, right in the city of Toronto, inside the Rogers Center, SkyDome, the CN Tower. That's about gonna do it for today. If you're new here, please like, please subscribe. Subscribe will let you know when a new episode goes up. You never know what you may be missing because you just don't know exactly what we'll be doing on the Mr. Thrasha Show. Please like, please subscribe.